Here we go. Fig's a good old fox. Bring it on down like this. There's the top of his head. Let's draw an ear now. He's got pointy ears. Up like this. Another one like this. Alright, here we go. And now we can come around on the bottom of his head like this. And then we'll bring it on up at the other side of his head like that. Pretty easy. And in the middle of all that, we'll give him his snout. So a bit of a snout like this. That looks good. And on top of that, we'll bring a nose in like that. And we'll give him a bit of a smile here. Oh, I like it. With some teeth. Good looking fig. Oh, I like that. Let's not forget his eyes now. They're kind of on the side of his head. Right about there. And the other one right about here. We can have him looking at us. Just some dots they are. And then his eyebrows right about here. Very nice. Give him some texture inside of his ears. One there, one there. Looking nice, everybody. Maybe a little tougher hair. Oh, I like it. That's fun. Now what we can do is draw his body. Let's draw Fig's body right about here. Just bring it off like that. Right like that. And then we can make some arms here. There's a shirt sleeve. Same on over here like this. Looking good, everybody. I like that. Let's not forget his tie. Fig's got a tie that he likes to wear. So just like that. Line there. And then a bigger line down like this. Like that. Up again like this. And back on up. I like that. And it's stripy. So we're going to put a stripe there. And then we'll switch it up and put a couple stripes here like this. Very nice, everybody. That's looking very good. Now Fig's got a bit of a backpack, he does. He likes to wear it around, doesn't he? So do that right about there like that. Same on this side. Do that. And that. I like it. Looking good, everybody. I'll bring his shirt down like this. Right at the bottom of his tie like that. And then back on up to meet the backpack. Oh, I like that. We'll put the backpack just a bit on here so we know there's a backpack there. Oh, I like that too. There's his sleeves, and let's draw his arms down now. Just like this. There's a one finger, there's his thumb, and bring it on back up. And we can draw another couple fingers here and there. And we'll do the same over here. There's the arm, top of his arm. There's his thumb. First finger like that. Another finger there. And the pinky finger up like that. Fig's looking good, everybody. Now we just gotta draw his pants. So let's bring his pants down like this. And he's got cuffs on his pants. So there's one like that. Right around the crotch there and down. And the same over here. They don't have to be straight, because they're jeans or corduroys, I believe. There's the cuff. Same on this side. Good looking cuff. And then Fig's feet are pretty easy. They're just like this. There's one, and the other one will be about here. Give him a couple of toes like this. And we're good to go. It's Fig. Fig from Tumble Leaf. Let's get to the color. Fig has blue fur and hair, purple pants, a brown striped shirt, yellow backpack and tie stripes with orange tie stripes. Thanks, everyone.